So these all already we are discussed. Okay, type of projects and type of roles, and next we will going to application architecture. This is desktop tier, application tier, and database tier. It's very simple. Try to understand real time level. So now we are going to connecting the application, right? So in the application level, application should be going to connecting to the report builder and the application both are connecting to the database. That is the thing we are going to discussing here. It's called as a application tier and database tier and desktop tier. Okay, this structure we are able to see, right? Screen.
Yeah,
Yeah.
now it is clear.
Right. See, this is the structure of how application the top it is going to looks like. Okay. So AOL tops is going to, they are going to dividing like this way, where that's all it is going to stored. See 11.5.10 version. This is see the same structure, but the version will going to change here. Ours is R12. Okay, R12 version. Under the R12 version, admin top will come, bin folder will come, forms folder will come, reports folder will come. Under the forms folder US top you can see, and the reports under reports folder US top you can see. Inside of the US top, all RDF report files you can see. Inside of the forms US folder, all FMX files you can see. Okay, right. This admin side you can see the SQL folder, all SQL things you can able to see here. Okay, if you go to now the same way GL, AR, AU. Okay, FND. This is all module wise. Module wise, so many tabs you can see. Try to think about. If you want to show, I will next. We are going to here. Then move to root. Okay. After that, root to Oracle AS folder. Oracle, Visu, apps tapu application. This is from here onwards. You can see application tab. You can see what is this. This is going to application tab directory where we are in. Sorry. Where we are in application tab. Under the application tab, you can it is going to all remaining all tabs it is going to store. All tabs means what? AU tab, AR tab, AP tab, GL tab, ONT tab, PO tab. Okay, so many tabs it is coming. Okay, again respect to that AR tab. See now again FND tab under FND tab. Next R12 version will come. You can see the admin folder, bin folder, forms folder, help folder, reports folder, SQL folder. Like this, you can see all. Again, if you go to respective any tab, GL tab or any tab, you can go. Again, you can see the main thing is forms, reports, SQL, admin, bin folder. These are the main folders it is available. Is it clear?
Yeah. Kote, what is AU? Because AR is receivable, GL is general ledger, AU means
AU top is a only for specific for forms. Forms source files it is going to stored in AU top.
okay.
Only
So it's not related with any application, right?
no. It's not related to application. Only it is going to stored for the all the forms and source files it is going to stored here. See forms, right?
Okay.
Resource file you can think about resource file. See all FMBs is going to move here. Okay, right. So next we will going to move on. This is the
And
respective yeah,
this will be always present in US folder only, right? Or
only forms and reports.
only forms and reports.
Uh,
Okay. And
only
from for other.
Others
Java.
is different. Java is different again. You can see here the AU application tab. AU as an application utility directory. It consists of the applications and subdirectory, which consists of the forms and resource directories. It is used to store all FMBs and PLL and PLX files. Understood?
Mm,
When we are going
yeah.
to starting the Oracle forms, at that time you can going to get to know more in detail, more information on that. Understood? Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Right. And next, see here, bin folder. What are the information it is going to capture? C program file, C++, ProC, SQL, star loader. This is the type of any file if you want to store, you have to move into the bin folder. Is it clear? In Oracle Apps, suppose if you are going to creating any C program related programs, okay? So those files where you can keep, only you can keep inside of the bin folder. Not only C language, C++ and ProC and SQL, star loader, this type of program files you can keep it in the bin folder. Okay. Lib means library files. All obj files, related obj, it is Java classes files you can going to store into the libraries. What are the libraries are there, you can going to put it in all in lib folder. Messages is going to, you can all msb files you can going to store into there. Log and out, these already you know, already I show you log file when it is coming, log file and out file, output file.
When you are running programs.
Yes, once we are submitting the program in the concurrent level, concurrent program FND request, right? That submit request level, once the program is completed, even completed normal, then you can able to see the output file. If it is it went to error, then log file you can see where it is going to stored. It is going to stored the respective top. Here they are mentioned all GL top. Okay, it's not a GL top. Okay, here it is custom top. Whatever the custom top it is there, we can go there into that particular custom top only. Okay, right. Moving on to the next. Right, system administrator level, what are the things we can see? So users, you can see responsibilities, you can see reports development and customization, procedures, printer installation, admin activities. We will going to do it into the system administrator responsibility level. Clear? System administrator responsibility level, what are the things we will going to do? We'll see so many. This all users, you can see security level responsibilities, okay, request groups, all you can see, right? So try to follow. See, these all are, we can call it as a responsibilities, okay? Inside of the responsibility, it is going to attaching the menus. Under the menu, we are going to attaching the function. So those concepts will come in the forms development level. Okay, we people going to understand at the time, but try to understand what you can see system administrator level. See now, this is the system administrator here. What are the things you can see? So if you go to here and you can see user responsibility. Now under the user, you can define the user. Under the responsibility, you can define the responsibility. Okay. and some printer installation also you can do it using here. So, let me here see this. Users responsibilities, reports development and customizations. Report development and customizations means, suppose I want to add my concurrent program, report concurrent program. How I can add it? Request group, right? So that is the reason they mentioned that. Procedures and printer installations, admin activities. Admin activities they are going to using system administrator level only. You can see some other things also. One second. See this generic file manager. Here only the system administrators they are going to doing uploading some files and system administration. Here they can do. These all are the admin activities they are going to manage the schedules. Suppose if you are going to scheduling any programs, you can see here what are the programs are scheduled and what programs are running, what programs are on hold. These all things you can see here. Okay, right. And next, application developer level, what we can do? Application developer level, we can going to do the creating the forms, creating the menus, messages, flex fields, and profiles. This all you can do it using the application developer. Suppose if you want to create a flex field or profile or a form or menu, where we can see in the application developer level only. Try to understand. Okay, answer. See flex fields. All flex fields you can create it here only. Profiles you can create the profiles here only. Application. Under the application you can going to do the forms and menus and functions. Okay, this is the use of the application developer. People are following, right? Any questions?
What is flex field?
Will tell you that concept will come next level. I told you, right? So before going to starting that, just I'm going to explaining few of the basic things. Okay.
Oh,
What is a flex field? What is a profile? What is value set? And how to use those? And all we can going to see. Okay. It will come the concept. One second. Yes, Padmini, are you able to hear me?
Yeah, I can hear fine.
Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, give me a second. Right. Now, tell me what is your responsibility? Suppose I said PO responsibility, AP responsibility, okay, payable responsibility, receivable responsibility, like this, so many responsibilities we are going to see, right? So, first of all, what is your responsibility? Okay, what is your responsibility means, as for we people are going to understanding, right? What we are going to understanding?
User role.
User role. See now, let me, where is your file? It's a really interesting concept now. Try to understand how the reports, forms, everything it is going to attaching to the responsibility. Right. Now, one second.
mine 26.
ERP, right? Mm,
Hmm.
right, right. Now, say now. Right. See here. Responsibility, suppose. What are the things we have done? First, we are going to in RDF report. .rdf report level. What are things we done? We created a executable. Okay, executable, and attached the executable to the concurrent program. Okay, and a concurrent program to request group. Okay, request group. From request group to responsibility. From responsibility to user. Understood. In the similar way, dot fmb forms. Just keep on mind. Okay, don't think more. Okay, we will going to create a form. We'll create a function. Okay, we're going to create a menu, and we're going to attach the menu to the responsibility to user. Understood. This is the forms and reports, both we are going to attaching to the, see, first we created a form is going to attaching to the function is attaching to the menu is attaching to the responsibility is attached to the user, correct? Now we're going to see, now simply will see the report. See, we're going to once, now if I went to which responsibility you want to go, suppose payables, we will go system administrator, security,
What's
define.
the difference between the administration and the administrator?
Administrator level, we can able to create the users, you can able to create your responsibilities, you can create the request groups, and that is administration level, that is DBA activities we can see more.
Okay.
Okay, but this is going to developer more will going to do here. Okay, let me now responsibility. In the responsibility, now here we can see payable, vision, operations. One second. Okay, this is the responsibility we have. Now tell me, how would I know my all the reports, payable application, sorry, payable vision operations responsibility related all reports, how I can describe my reports, all reports are attached to this responsibility, how I can tell?
Request group.
Correct. So we are going to attach the request group. All my forms are attached to this responsibility. How? It is going to attach the menu to this. Understood? Is it clear now? This is whenever you attach this menu, so you can able to see all the forms are attached to this responsibility. I mean, what are the menus are attached to this, what are the functions are attached to this menu, all we can see. What are the reports are going to attach it to all reports menu group, you can see through this responsibility. Clear now? Now this responsibility is going to attach it to the where? User. What is the username? Operations. See, you can query if you want your responsibilities there or not. Yes, it's there, right? Hello, people are
Yeah.
understood. Suppose, see, suppose now today Sachin has joined in the organization. Okay, now I want to create his user. Okay, uh, Sachin K. simply search in. I'm going to putting. I created a user now. Okay. Password will take 2 times. 2 times you need to confirm. Tab it. Right. Now I am going to attaching to the responsibilities to his user, application developer, payable, within operations USA. Okay. Purchasing within operations. So many it is there. Only required responsibilities we will going to attach. Okay. Attach this and I attach the system administrator also. Now I added these responsibilities now. Now this is how to create a user. So you can see now how to create user. What is the navigation? System administrator, and then security, and then user, and then define. Okay. Enter the name and password. Double time you need to confirm. Okay. Right. After that, attach required responsibilities. Attach required responsibilities. Okay, responsibilities. So now we are saved. 5 records are applied and saved. Where it is going to store this information? Help record history. This is the table. This is not a table. It's a view. Okay. See, now you can see two different tables. Now suppose I selected here. Then see the record history. What is the table? F&D user. All users are going to stored in this table. Okay, keep on mind. All users are going to stored in F&D user table. People are going to remember or not. Last time while going to developing the report, at the time I joined with F&D user table. Hello. See this F&D user table. So where username, user underscore name, it should be Sachin K. This is the username. Got it? Your record is coming now. Got it. Now suppose, is this user is active or inactive? How you can find?
Start.
Right. Status is active. But in the backend, how you can put it? You can put it and end date is not null. End date is null. Then is active. Active record. Active record. Active user. Sorry. Active user. Suppose now I want to deactivate this person. How I can deactivate? You have to end date it. Simply if you put the end date here, automatically it is going to deactivate it. Okay, keep on mind now. These are the, once this is done, now all users you can see. Suppose only you want to see the inactive users, fnd underscore user where end date, what the action you can write is
Not now.
not null, simply not null. Then these all persons are going to, how many people are there total? 203, record count 203. Users are inactive. Now you want to check how many are in active status. Fnd user where end date is null. Okay, you can see more than right click it in the output, right click it and then record count. 3031 users are active. Okay, so this is you, here it is username, it is coming. Sometimes number also will come. If it is, if you go for if you join as a big organization, then they will give, instead of name they will give the your employee number also they will put. Okay, keep on mind that is also. Got my point? Some of the organizations, instead of your username, they will put it your employee ID. You can we can log in with your employee ID. Okay, right. So this is the now user. So now what happened in reverse way? I am telling now. This responsibility is attached to, now this responsibility is attached to the user, right? Now user is going to have having the responsibility having the request groups, request group having the concurrent programs, concurrent program having the executable having, it is going to linking to the RDF report where we are going to place it in that US folder. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Fine. So this is the way we will going to do. And next thing is, in the similar way you can create such an employee setup also. Employee setup, this is user setup. Okay, the employee setup, how you can do, without employee setup you can't perform anything. Okay, you can go to human resources, vision operations enterprises, vision enterprises, human resources enterprises, and then people, enter and maintain. So this is a employee setup. Just keep on mind basic things. Now if you already employee setup is there, you can query the employee number. If it is not there, you can going to click on new. There you can going to give it the first name, last name, okay, and gender of the employee. Okay,
Koti, when you purchase this Oracle ERP software, are there these responsibilities present in the
no, nothing
product
will,
itself?
nothing.
That
See, the product itself, they will give the standard application developer, system administrator, they will give.
okay. And what
Remaining
about
all
this HRMS?
HRMLs, the standard things will come. Remaining things we need to attach it. All responsibilities will come, but we people going to, functional consultants will going to, they will going to create their own responsibilities. Simply it is same responsibility. Let it be, I will share the document with you. We both people try to practice on that. Okay, That is the reason I am starting these concepts. Okay, I will give you the document.
No, but which are the basic means which are the basic application responsibilities which are already present in the application at the time of purchasing, like HRMS, you are saying that
See,
the
one
system
thing,
admin.
try to understand. All responsibilities they will give, but there is no data at all. Understood?
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah.
So what we have to do? So their responsibilities you will going to use, but you are going to creating your own responsibilities. Understood? Own responsibilities
Okay.
means, so see, you have to take it your that application, that menu name I told, right? Menu name and request group name.
Yeah.
Let me finish this and I will show you that. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah.
Right now we are going to creating the employee setup here. Now it is going to last name, first name, and gender, a type of the employee. My employee type should be going to creating employment, and then type is the employee I'm going to taking. Now here it is going to next to your date of birth you can give it uh, any date of birth, that's fine. Okay, 23rd of June 1990, like this you can give. Okay, and then email ID is very very important in office. Email ID is very abc at the rate of gmail.com. So mail ID is very very important. What is the purpose of mail ID means? Suppose you are a buyer, you need to receive the purchasing notifications. Suppose you are a manager, you need to receive the time card notifications. Okay, those all things it is going to working based on this mail ID only. Okay, keep in mind. Now you can save your nationality. It is asking. You can put it Indian. Okay. Now you can save it. You have not entered the social security number for these employers. If it is only US people, they will going to enter social security number. Right. See, the transaction complete on record, applied and saved. Then you can go into assignments. This is the organization is Vision Corporation. I created this employee. Now tell me, if my client is a worldwide is running the business, so his organizations are different. It is going to coming here. So many it will come. Okay, US, UK, India, so many organizations are there. There you can going to create. So job also I'm going to assigning job role. So some manager I'm giving that position. Correction, always it is a correction. It's a manager. Excuse me. So always you can use the correction. So this person, suppose payroll, who is going to paying the payroll? You can attach the payroll here. And supervisor, you can see the supervisor here. So supervisor, here you can attach the supervisor. This person is reporting to whom? Okay. So here you can see so many names you can see. Anything Mr. Rajkumar. So simply you can put it. So that person is reporting to whom? Now this person, what are the activities is going to doing? So manager will going to getting to notification all the things. Suppose he created a purchase order, immediately manager will get the notification. If this person is raised the sales order, manager will get to know that. Okay, is it clear? So now this information backend it is going to store in for all people a table. See this per people v. This is a view. Inside we can find the table. Okay, for all people. Yeah, for all people. F table. So this is where what you know here where employee number you know. How do you know employee number? It is already generated. Employee number equal to what is the employee number you have? You can put it. This is your employee number. Employee number you can join with this. See, Sachin. This is the person now. Now, if you go in the FND user table, you can see here also employee ID. Can move little bit this side. Employee ID is there.
Yes.
It's not there. Null, right?
Yeah, but the column is there, but
Column
value
is
is not
there,
there.
but value is not there. That means what?
Yeah.
That means
We have not attached that employee to the
right,
user.
right, correct. So you have to keep on mind this is you can if it is null, so that person employment setup is not done, or if it is done also it is not matched. Okay, clear?
Okay. Koti, it means that you have created that employee in your organization now,
Yes.
and you have created this user for Oracle App System.
Yes.
Both are two different things, and now you are linking that organization employee to this Oracle Apps user, right?
Right. Right.
Okay.
Padmini, you also following, right?
So if you are adding a supplier, you do not add him as an employee at all. You just do one.
No.
I mean, he's not using it.
One
He
second.
just,
One second. You adding supplier means what?
I mean,
Supplier is
I
completely
mean,
different. One
okay.
second. One second. Suppliers and customers are not our employees. First of all, okay. Simply we are going to doing the supplier setup, customer setup for raising the purchase orders and receiving the sales orders.
But what if somebody is getting a report?
What report?
I mean,
Can you
don't
raise?
you have to?
Can you ask again what you are going to asking? Try to ask
Well,
again.
I thought I had to add him as a user before I send the report to him.
No, not at all. We are not going to create any user access or any employee setup for the customers or suppliers or salesperson. Salesperson we will going to create. Salesperson means our person only. Are you clear?
So only employees.
Only organization who are working in the organization, those people only. Outside people we will not going to create. And we will going to create the consultants also. We will create the user access and employee setup for the consultants. You understood
Yeah.
what you mean by consultants?
Yeah.
Consultant means now suppose we are a client. We are working in a client place. Some vendor means some service based company, they are going to supporting the Oracle activities. So at that time we will going to create the user access and employee setup for them. And at that time we mentioned it's a consultant, not the employee. Keep on mind again. Understood? See, suppose if you are going to joining any software service based company, okay, you are working in X company, your client is Y. Okay, the client, they will not going to create employee record for you. They will going to create a employee record. The type should be consultant. Clear?
Yeah.
Now it's clear.
Yeah.
Okay. Now try to understand. Definitely we'll get to know one by one. Probably it will take some time to understand the concept. All assignments means your job information, everything we're going to see here. Where person ID, person underscore ID equal to this is. How I get the person ID here? In the above table, for all people left table, person ID. You can take the person ID. You can join with for all assignments F. So in the assignments F means what is this? Your job ID also it is coming. This job ID you can join with per jobs table. Per jobs where job ID. Okay. And this is. And one more is whenever we people are going to using this underscore F tables, it should be a date track tables. Date track tables. Date track tables means you have to put the and this date between effective start date and effective end date. Effective end date. This is, sir, why we need to add this condition? See, one employee initially whenever he is joining at that time, his role is trainee. After that, he got a software engineer. After that, he got it as a senior software engineer. After that, he got manager. After that, he got director, senior manager. After that, he got director, senior director. Like this, jobs are going to changing. That means assignments we are going to creating new assignments always. Assignments as well as employee setups are going to changing always. The employee number is same, but the roles are going to changing. At that time, multiples will come. This condition only giving it is active employee record in the system. Okay, always keep on mind this is. Now I want to assign this Sachin to the user. Now I'm going to close this. This is the employee setup. Now go to system administrator and now before going to system administrator, I try to open the purchase order. Okay. See now why we need to map the user employee to the user. Now go to purchase orders. Okay. Purchase orders. Now let me try again. Now something it is happened. We'll see what is. Now you can see what is this. Can you read it once?
You are not safe to access this form. You need to be a worker.
Correct. That means you should be a employee. Understood?
Yes.
You should be a employee, then only can able to access. Go to system administrator and then security user define. So go to query your user. Person is there, right? You can map the person here. Sachin K abc underscore gmail.com. Now you can save it. Now once you saved, Now you can go and see your backend table, fnd underscore user table. Now here you can see the email ID
Employee
as
ID.
well as employee ID. See, email ID,
Yes.
employee ID, it is reflected. Got it?
Yes.
And your name also will come. See here, your name also will come. What is that? Description. Description, comma, description you can see. Your name, oh, description. You are not putting description here. While creating the user, the description also it will come. It is not putting the name. Okay, this is the way you can do. Understood, both of you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shall I move on to next?
Yes.
Right. Now you are asking, right, sir? You want to create a responsibility? Go to System Administrator, Security, Responsibility, Define. Here you can create your own responsibility. You can attach your the existing menu name, existing request group name. But responsibility is your name. Your responsibility you can create. Let me show you 1 second. I will share the one document. Both of you try to practice. Okay. Right. Multi-year concept. See now, this concept is still not yet started. Okay. But keep on mind. So what you have to keep on mind? Here you can go and create your own responsibilities. See now, this is the way you will going to create. Log into the operations, go to System Administrator, navigate to the responsibilities window, create 9 responsibilities. Okay, these are all 9 responsibilities. Each module having their own menu, data group, request group. Okay, data group and request group. Data group always you can take it to standard. Okay, so the data group is nothing but this is standard. You can take standard only you can take. Okay, remaining this, so see each module having their own menu name, data group name, request group name. So data group you can take standard, but request group and menu name are going to changing. In the system administrator only you can create the user and responsibility. Okay, that is now. See,
So the menu is for forms or responsibilities. The request group is for reports. What's the data
right.
group for?
The data group are standard functionality. This is data group is going to, it is how it is setting means this is we can going to access the some related functionalities. The standard functionality will going to take it 1 second. This is so under which application we are going to connecting that application related all data files will going to gathering this responsibility level, and will help you on that clearly. I'm not sure 100%. Okay, so I will going to clarify you.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
will check and I will clarify you. Okay, this these two things, so you can going to create it your own responsibilities. See now I'm going to increasing the size. See this KMGL RESP, general ledger application, responsibility key, and menu name and request group name. You can create it. Padmini, you can also create your own user, employee setup, and after that you can log in your own user, and then I will share this document both all of you and try to create your responsibilities and try it. Okay,
Yeah.
fine, right? Okay, next it is going to what is responsibilities, what is menu, what is request group, what is data groups. Here it is there. See now. Data group is nothing but what is a data group? It is a collection of modules used to integrate one or more modules for cross application transfer of data, cross application reporting, and cross application reference. If you want to get data from other modules, we need to define these modules in the data group. Understood? It is all applications are going to integrated. See, PO is integrated with AP is integrated with GL. So suppose if you want to gather that information from one application to another application, so we need a data group. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
Padmin, no, it is a collection of modules used to integrate one or more modules for cross application transfer of data. Okay, cross application reporting and cross application reference. If you want to get data from other modules, we need to define those modules in data group. Okay, that is. So try to read it this functionalities, and Monday session we're going to see flex fields and then profiles and value sets. These three concepts we're going to finish it.